demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to grow. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
baby, wag ka nang mag-alilangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo'y matagal kong hinahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Wow, baby, nice kong makita yung dalagitang Pilipina. Nakilala ko noon sa social media. Nakakaakit siya, kaya sa kanya na lang nagpadala. Para sa agos ng dagat pang nakahiga. Huwag kang mag-aalala, baby, mamimiss kita. Malayo ka man sa aking tabi. Magpaalam ng bibig sa bibig. Balak kong hihintayin ng muli mong pagbabalik. Dalawang buwan ang pagkalayo natin. Baby, mag-ingat ka dyan sa atin. Sa aking balik, yakap at halik ay babawiin natin. Huwag ka nang mag-alilangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo'y matagal kong hinahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Andyan ka na naman, di ko maiwasang tumingin sa iyong liwanag. Nadarama na naman sa iyong apoy. Bakit palaging hinahayaan? May lakad ka ba mamaya? Pwede ka ba makasama sa paggagala? Kung sakaling di ka pwede sa bagay, meron din akong ginagawa. Siguro nga napapaisip ka, ba't ako nangangamusta? Ilang araw ka na naroon sa panaginip ko, nag-aalala lang ako baka saan ka mapunta. Pero mukhang ayos ka naman, di na kita abalahin pa. Ilang naman namin pa ba ang dapat para patago kang mag-alala sa'kin? Habang pinapantasya lamang nila ay mascara mo sa gabi at pitaka mo sa umaga. Doon ka sa likod ng kolorete pag di nangangahulugan sa salitang paraiso para sa'kin. Ba't kaya kayamanan ko pa din kinikilala ang iyong pagtawa? Kahit nasa puso man ay nandusay na natin ang kasya. Dati pa ko pinagdamutan ng kapalaran, kaya di na bago sa'kin mawalan ng pag-asa. Na umaga na naman, tawagan mo na lang ulit ako kapag hindi na kayo magkasama. May nakita kong isang babae, di ko manimutan ang kanyang imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di mapakali, gustong mahawakan ang iyong mga kamay. Hanggang ngayon hindi mapalagay, sana ikaw ay makasabay. At nang malaman ko ang pangalan mo, nang ikaw ay makilala ko. Huwag ka nang mag-alilangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo'y matagal kong hinahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. I can't have you back, I guess I'm tripping now. We've been knowing about each other for a while now. Ain't no past we could have taken for this lifestyle. I had a girl, you had a man, that was long ago. Evolving daily, please don't judge me off a song ago. I know you ain't gonna wait forever. I know that it's gonna take more effort. You ain't got.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
Wow, kung hindi mo rin ako sasagutin, pwede bang sa'yo wag mo na akong papuntahin? Kung sistema natin ay ganun pa din, at least alam ko na kung anong dapat kong gawin. Para hindi na ako babiyahe, sayang pamasahe, pati ang tsokolate sa'yo. Sa dami-dami-dami mong sinabi, mahabang pa sa kalye, aasa lang pala ko sa'yo. Kaya sana di na lang nagsulat ng love letter sa'yo. Mag-aantay na lang, makakahanap din ng much better kaysa sa'yo. May nakita kong isang babae, di ko malimutan ang kanyang imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di mapakali, gustong mahawakan ng iyong mga kamay. Hanggang ngayon hindi mapalagay, sana ikaw ay makasabay. At nang malaman ko ang pangalan mo, at nang ikaw ay makilala ko, baby, wag ka na mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo'y matagal kong hinahanap pa, at gusto kong makita, gusto kong makita. Baby, pauwi na ako, ako'y pauwi na. Baby, pauwi na ako, miss na kita. Baby, pauwi na ako, ako'y pauwi na. Hindi ka na malulungkot, malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako. Makita sa mga mata mo na nalulungkot ka, kaya gumawa na ako ng paraan upang mapawi ang kalungkutan. Kasi naman lagi kang nagkakaganyan, ayoko naman na ikaw ay masaktan. Ramdam ko ang pakiramdam ng nahihirapan, kaya naman ayoko nang iparamdam sa'yo. Malapit na ako, konting oras na lang ay magsasama na tayo. Malapit na ako, dyan sa tabi mo, konting tiis na lang, mahal, mawawala na ang iyong lungkot. Miss na kita, baby, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang saya ko na muli tayong magsasama. Pangako na hindi ka na maghihintay, at hindi ka na malulungkot. Malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako. Kung hindi mo rin ako sasagutin, miss na kita. Ay, nakita kong isang babae, dalagang Pilipina, dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, baby, pauwi na ako. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, baby, pauwi na ako.
Kapag naalala ko ang mga araw na magkasama tayong dalawa, ngiti at luha sa aking mga mata. Ganon na pala tayo dati kasaya. Yung tipong kapag tayo'y nagkatitigan, mag-ingitian para bang nahihibang, mag-iingay kahit sobrang tahimik ng kapaligiran. Kahit may nagre-reklamo na'y wala tayong pakialam. Panahong nandun ka pa, laging pumupunta, di naasahang may sorpresa kang laging dala. Ang saya-saya, ayoko lang pahalata, kasi okay na naman ako basta makasama ka. Kasi lang wala na, pero alam ko na masaya ka na. Sa mundo ko wala nang makakagawa, makakatumas ng iyong napadama. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na namimiss kita, na namimiss kita. Sa akin ikaw pa rin ang baby ko, baby ko. Kahit wala ka na sa piling ko pangakong ipagdarasal pa rin kita, ipagdarasal pa rin kita. Ako'y magpapaalam na sa'yo, mga luha sa mata'y punasan mo. Ayokong nakikita kang umiiyak, loob mo ay tibayan mo. Di man tayo nagkasamang dalawa, gusto ko ay palagi kang masaya. Salamat sa lahat, hanggang dito na lang. Di matanggap na wala ka na. Sa panaginip ko'y palagi kang nandun at tayo'y magkasama. Pinabalikan ang mga nagdaan sa atin, dahil di ako sanay. Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa. Sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang. Ayaw kang nabibitin, kaya mabuti pang ako'y uuwi na lang. Sa susunod na lang. Dahan-dahan mong bitawan, puso kong di makalaban. Lagi na lang ganito, isipan ay gulong-gulong. Masaya ka na ba? Dahil ako'y nahihirapan pa na matanggap na may mahal ka ng iba. At ngayon wala ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na namimiss kita, na namimiss kita. Sa akin ikaw pa rin ang baby ko, baby ko. Kahit wala ka na sa piling ko pangakong ipagdarasal pa rin kita, ipagdarasal pa rin kita.
Kapag panahon ng tag-ulan, masarap mag-chill, mag-reminisce at tumunganga habang nakikinig sa napakalamig na boses ng dalawang bisita natin ngayon. Kaya naman, please welcome Moira De La Torre and Kay Carl.
only friends. You came along at the wrong time. Was it
Sandali na lang, maaari bang pagbigyan? Aalis na nga. Maaari bang hawakan ng iyong mga kamay? Sana ay maabot ng langit ang iyong mga ngiti. Sana ay masilip. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ko ipipili.